Check if string in list of strings is in Pandas DataFrame column. I am new to Python and have a question regarding matching strings in a list to a column in a DF. When I run the following commands, I would like a new column named match to be created, and if there is a match between the string in the list and the string in the column, the value in the match column and corresponding row should be true. If no match, then false. The desired outcome would be false, false, true, false, false. Since the string Honda is not an exact match of Honda Civic, it should not be true. Same with toy is not the exact match of Toyota Corolla. Creating DF. I then create a list of the values I would like to search for, joined by vertical bar. Here I have tried the str.match command and are given true, 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 false, false. Here I have created a loop using the equals equals operator and are given false, 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 false. Thank you for the help.
If need match values in list, use series.esheen. Solution with match is used for check substrings, so different output. Alternative solution for match substrings with series.str. contains in parameter not equals false. Edit. For test values and substrings is possible, use list comprehension with loop by values and search underscore for underscore these underscore values and test match by in with any for return at least one true.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.